Oh man, I can't believe I gotta do this all over again, baby. Let's go. Okay. Big shout out real quick before I start off this video to Caroline Ochoa, Denise Diaz, Vicky Payton, Kenny Hinn, Gaetan, Tresur Williams, Polo Campos, Reynardo Casiano, Eric Bonales, Miranda, Eva Lancaster, Gabe, Katrina Vaughn, Juan Chavez, Mariela, Kenneth Paddock Jr. Congratulations. Thank you so much for supporting the Patreon page, guys. I'm ready to rock with you. Hey, let's talk about a few things that I really want to get feedback from you directly, the Patreon, because you guys are actually supporting this page. So what can I offer you guys right now? What can I put down? What video can I put out that's really going to help you with the current struggles that you guys have right now as photo booth operators, photo booth business owners? I want to create value and give you guys value as fast as possible. So if you guys can just go in the chat box right here in the bottom and talk about the greatest challenges you guys are facing. On top of that, I want to help you guys out with your website. I want to help you guys out with your Google profile. So if you guys are open to it, an opportunity that I've opened up is send me your Google profile link, send me your website. I'll put together a video and share it with everyone else on going over your website, what stands out to me the most, what areas on your Google profile have opportunities for growth. These are the things that are gonna help you guys generate leads. And remember, it's all about really building this funnel so that you guys can get as many eyeballs as possible on your platforms, whether it's your social medias or your website or your Google profile, and convert those into actual calls and then turn that into bookings. And then we'll move on to the rest of the problems that we're gonna experience. And that's, how do we deal with the amount of workflow coming in? How do we do better at managing these bookings? And how can I grow my team in the most efficient way possible? That's the things that we're gonna be covering. On top of that, guys, we're gonna be giving out gifts every single month. These are giveaways, right? And what I'm gonna be doing for you guys is something I think is really, really gonna help you. And that's, I'm gonna be giving someone an entire month of Snapic. That's right. So whoever wins, and the winner is gonna be announced every 22nd of every month for the entire year. Someone's gonna win a monthly subscription to Snapic. This is gonna be the business enterprise, which gives you access to all the tools, all the great effects right here on this channel, because I appreciate you. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Please help me with your feedback in the comment thread below. Take care, guys, and thank you for everything. Peace.